What's up, YouTube? Boom. Let me just show you guys this bad boy. Easy bay. Right, so I'm just gonna take you to the top of the map so you guys can see the whole map. This is where you spawned.
Almost done. This is I just have 62.5 kilometers left. Like 50 minutes and then I'm done for today and tomorrow again. 9 kilometers for 24 hours.
Oh, let me put my volume louder in it. We're going RP,
I'ma
guys.
remove myself from this group one day and admins run away because y'all have my number and you'll now think because of that y'all can take advantage. I'm not referring to people currently in here, I mean that have been removed and left. They leave because they want something. Ask me, I say no when they mad and leave. Today's case was different story. This new guy came from the old game, was excused for sexual harassment and is left. The issue banned him and moved on. I let him come back thinking he changed, and look now he comes arguing about how girls have money, and I tell him why he refuses to accept and wants his way, so he continues fighting. He then proceeded to call an innocent female assault for no reason
Oh,
at
I know who you
all,
are.
and
See, guys, don't be rude.
I do not know why TK was influenced by him, but he's a bad influence. He
I'm gonna stay in
sent
the ghetto, guys.
influence with other past members. Ongoing thank you. Update coming out at 9 p.m. Mara, what are they doing to TD? I'm gonna talk to Ulunga, you're gonna tell them coming out.
Huh? They say I must talk there.
Hello.
My brother is currently busy. Give him 5 minutes. Huh?
Okay.
My brother say you must so long join.
Join what? I can't join no limit because of my phone.
He say he can't join low limits because of his phone.
That's talking about check on Christian.
Huh? They ask what is wrong with your phone.
It's just my phone too.
What?
I'm saying my phone can't handle the game.
He says his phone can't handle the game.
I need you to make noise.
He asked how we gonna do low limit content.
I'm working. I'm gonna use my PlayStation when I'm free.
He says he's gonna use his PlayStation when he's free. When he's free.
when I get a laptop.
They ask, so you're not free now.
Yeah, my brother is using it.
He says his brother's using it. Huh? Yeah, we'll just do the content alone. It's fine. So I say at least try and see.
Alright.
He says alright.
Tell your brother that there's an update coming out at 9 p.m. for low limit.
We know.
Yeah, it's in connection error.
It's saying connection error. Guys, James, let me show you my They say
Now yes, I'm back. I'm coming back in action. I see so. It's an update coming out at 9 p.m. I'm there's chances. There's chances.
Post closing roadblocks.
There's chances taking Didi for a one.
and I feel bad. Maybe just because I'm getting one in it. And
Did she even see the message I sent you?
I
Yeah.
did read it. I did.
Did she read it?
No, he read it. I'm busy recording.
Read the thing.
My brother read it out loud, so I heard it.
Then you caring about money more than this guy's accusation that's happening now.
They care more about his money.
Literally, yes.
I don't know. That's just it.
Hmm?
That's just it. Grew up in the ghetto.
Okay.
Este es pequeña. Let me give you a 360 marker. A 65 pensaba, pues.
What do you mean?
Bruh, I'm in my cupboards.
This is how it look under a map, guys. Nothing to wow underneath here. On the side, you know.
Yeah.
What did you do to the group I connection?
I'ma change it today.
Yeah, it's fine like that. I'm just lost.
Oh, I got a message.
Never.
Yeah. This is the type of velocity I wanna own, bruh.
Who sent you a message?
He says he will unlock the chat at 8 p.m.
Unlock the chat.
Said one.
Ooh, that's fire. Let's see. You changed that.
No, he unlocked it. You said the update. He's unlocking the chat. At 8.
He's unlocking the chat in like 4 minutes.
What you mean? It's already 8. Yes, bruh.
What?
It's already this time. Yo, school. Nah.
Bruh, I'm fucking body, bruh.
What?
I'm trying to make my color, my rooms. Yo.
Why did Yano leave? Yano did leave.
Did you invite him?
Must invite him.
No. I must invite you to
Are
my
you
group.
You got the venom.
He's in the game. What you screaming for, bruh?
Nothing.
Masih ada lagi di baki.
Turn around.
Nih.
Firework. Bang is in studio, so Bang know how to make a game. Stop shaking your head all up in my business, bo.
Masa itu.
Come my phone might be seriously.
Next man.
Let me phone her. I almost forgot about a YT video we recording.
What's wrong, Brooks?
It's your Wi-Fi, bro. Your Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi is bad.
Turn around.
If this guy's work, I will crash.
Baby.
Crash. Let me restart my phone.
Alright. Masih ada lagi di baki.
No.
Wait.
Oh guys, sabi ko may
Install Roblox
burning.
and then reinstall it. Nah, what? What is the thing?
Ayun lang. Paga saja.
Mas
And Kaylee. And
It's
then the Appy, then Adriana, if he does able to join, he's gonna pack in it.
No, who asking for the volume?
Yeah, patches for a YouTube video.
Nobody can change these houses, bro.
Yeah.
Nobody change these houses.
That's
When I
the
need to go.
you'll be dumping from these 4 houses. Let it try.
I'm gonna follow you. Drive slowly. Drive.
The Sappy drop in the chat. Stop calling me. Nara. It's not. What do you mean it's open?
Alright.
Now my car's stuck because I'm worried about my stupid boot.
Yeah.
You can say don't call me, not stop calling me. That's rude. Imagine us got even enough.
Drive slowly, bro. Please don't drive slow, bro.
Mas kau komen sa dengkelas ala rua mais ala tombol may bro.
I'm a real.
After.
Take look at me.
Hi, Finlandia. Oh shoot, y'all! I'm not even watching cause I'm busy. And nah, you need to be more professional.
Like?
Not pratatatatas in the background of a YouTube video. Lento.
It's all out, bro.
Suba, dauzi, bazi, zibe, Inlandi lento. Deba, abuzi, bazi, zibe, Guys, you can come spun in the bar. Bruh, can I just check here behind my area? There's something. You never check.
There's nothing. Legit open.
The code informasi ini when you get your Inlandi lento. And then you must open, you must park like us. Then you're gonna open all your things. Then I'm gonna use my free cam and go in podcast. Let me go. Let me start. So guys, I don't know how to work this one stuff. So I'm very sorry about any of us. If there's any troubles, guys, just let me know. Hey, this is the tires, guys. Tires. Guess it's gonna have to be tires because I didn't mean to make it tires, but I guess it just went in there. Engine and all. Engine, we got the Toyota engine. Toyota. Ain't no problem with the Toyota engine in a Golf.
So you must keep quiet, eh? Some of them.
Look.
This one here is
I have it, my guys. So
okay, so I'm not gonna think of my sorry. Joking, I completely
give us a rev. Okay, let me get it down. Bye, guys.
Bye. We finna vibe. Stay tuned for part 2. You know what I'm
Part
saying?
to be coming out, but that's whole place, y'all.
We
Gotta be full, y'all. I better see y'all next.
something. You know what I'm
We're
saying?
making some.
December.
Mm.
December the 7th.
Actually,
We gonna be vibe. Okay, now let's put it as the
guys, so if you know
We're
my
gonna be
birthday is the 7th of December, so we're just gonna have to put it as the 8th, because on the 7th we're gonna be
yeah. We finna be
so
vibing.
on the 7th, so make sure I see you on the 8th of December. Not only is it gonna be in Low Limits, it's gonna be in CD. Not only CD,
It's gonna be in Life Together. It's gonna be in
Brookhaven, it's gonna be
just gonna
Perry
finna
Avenue.
vibe, guys. It's gonna finna vibe. The 11th of December.
So guys,
Catch us outside. You know what you gotta say. It's your boy
and
OB, your girl Carla, and we gotta say, ooh yeah.
there's gonna be 3 V classes. The front one is just gonna be like
There's gonna be
Friends.
2 black and 1 white.
three.
2 black, 1 white. The 1 white she gonna be vibing in it.
Yeah, so the
She
front
gotta be-
SCV class is gonna be like my friends on Roblox, me and my brother.
I'm gonna be the
And
driver.
listen, me, my brother, and Delilah and Adriana is gonna be in the middle white V class, and my other friends is just gonna be in the back. And then you guys will be following us in your little city goals.
Yeah, we only want like black
City goals.
and white city goals.
Because the
But
thing
guys,
is, my birthday
we gotta
thing is,
say one
and you're
thing.
a better still wearing black and white in my party. I'm only allowed to wear dark red. Nobody else.
Let's
Better
go.
catch you there, y'all.
It's your boy Obi, your girl Carla,
And we
everybody.
out. Peace.